to. This is, I don't know, Llama Llama LOL on Minecraft computer style. And yeah, this is my friends in my challenge map. The server thingamajig, I don't know what the hell it is. And here's my friend.
Oh
So, alright, and like, here's our spawn. Little nice dining table. Really terrible because he made it. No, I'm just playing. Our TV, pretty good. He made it. Couch I made. Ooh. Yeah.
We're gonna do the first
I know.
show more.
Well, and here's where we will be doing the first challenge. It's caged out so no one just runs around and stuff. 5 bars. And ow, I hate your mouse, man. And yeah.